Hello learners. Welcome to a new exciting video of this new TypeScript playlist. In this video, we will go through the concept of classes in TypeScript and understand various concepts like class defining and access modifiers in details. If you are watching this video, make sure to watch this video from playlist. Do subscribe this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Do access this playlist from the link in the description. I create videos mostly on web development and prompt engineering. Let's start the video. As we discussed earlier, a class is a blueprint for creating objects that share the same properties and methods. Let's see a quick demonstration of it. This is the basic structure of a class, with a constructor and a function. Let's create an object for this class person. Our code runs correctly. This was just a basic demonstration of class in TypeScript. Now let's understand access modifiers in details. Access modifiers define how class properties or methods can be accessed either from inside the class, outside the class or from subclass. We have a list of access modifiers. Let's see one by one. First we have public. A public modifier is set by default. Accessible anywhere, inside the class, outside the class, and in derived classes. Let's see a quick demonstration. Next we have private modifier, accessible only inside the class and not outside or child classes. To access it outside we need to create getter and setter. Let's see a quick demonstration of it. Unlike public access modifier, private could not be accessed or modified directly. For that we need to create getters to fetch values and setter to modify value. You can see we were able to access the private value through getter, but if we try accessing the value directly, it will throw error. Next we have protected, which is accessible only inside the class and its subclass. since it is set protected, so we are unable to access it directly just like private, but in this case we cannot create getter, we need to create a subclass to access the value. You can clearly see, dog barks meow. Last one we have is readonly. Readonly is not an access modifier, but it is used with them. By using this we could only read the data but could not update it. As explained, on printing the value it is fetching the exact value. Let's try updating it. As you can see, we can console.log the value of read-only variable but could not update it. But, if it would be some other modifier like public, we can easily update the value of public modifier. This was all in this video. Hope I was able to explain the topic clearly. If so, like this video, share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also comment your suggestion which part you like the most, as this channel is new and needs your support. Join our Discord server. See you very soon in the next video. Bye.